So I'm laying on my bed right now, and I can see that really well. Already got the Jhua digital projection clock. This thing's pretty awesome, actually. This was sent to me for evaluation purposes, so I could check it out and show it to you. But all opinions are going to be my own. And my opinion right off the bat is that this thing's pretty cool. There's some pros and cons, as with everything in the world, isn't there? You get a projection clock. Basically, the whole concept behind this is we've got a clock that'll do 12-hour time, 24-hour time. It's got 2 alarms on it. Buttons turn them on or both here on the side. Pretty simple. It's got this 160-degree projection thing that if you turn the projection on, it'll project the clock information onto the ceiling. And I'll show you that. I'll turn the lights off and show you that. There's a button on the back. You can press it and reverse it. So let's say you've got it pointed this way, but it's the wrong direction. You hit the button and it flips the time around so you can see it the way you want to. It's got 4 different light displays on it, a high, medium, low, and off, and it has a snooze button on the top. So if you hit your snooze button, it'll snooze for 5 minutes before setting the alarm back off again. Setting it's pretty easy. You hold the time button down, the time starts blinking. You set the time to 12 or 24 hours first, and then it goes to, the hour, the minutes, and it scrolls through. What do we got on here? We got the day of the month, the actual days, Friday. I put in today's September 9th, so it knew it was a Friday. It also has the inside temperature, which is 85 degrees. It's burning up in here. And the humidity is 62% because there's a hygrometer on here too. Pretty cool. The only one con is this. It comes with this about a 5-foot cable on here, but no power adapter. It uses a 5-volt power adapter, and it doesn't come with it. I've just got this plugged straight into a USB on here, but it does have battery backup on here. Battery. You can use it with batteries. Pull the back on it. It uses 2 AAA batteries. So I've got those in here. And that's pretty simple. First of all, it's a square, so it just sits up there. There's no stands that kick out or anything. Nice, sits there. It ain't going anywhere. I love that. And it also has an output for a charger, for a USB charger. So you could, if you had this by your bed, you could plug your phone in there, charge it while you're sleeping. What a cool idea. I love this. So let me show you what this looks like in the dark when it projects. There's the time projected on the ceiling. That is pretty cool. Now, if we want to, there's the reverse button in case you got it the other way. Pretty cool. So if you're looking for a digital projection alarm clock, something to project the actual time and stuff onto the ceiling, it's got a thermometer built into it. It's got an extra USB port so you can charge your phone while it's plugged in and you're using it. It's got battery backup on it, 12 and 24-hour clock on it, everything you would need. And the clock actually has 2 alarms on it, which I think is pretty cool. You can set it as a snooze feature, different backlight settings. Check out this one by Jhua. Check it out.